Don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out or looked down on. So do your best, do everything you can, and don't you worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time, little girl in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. Hey, you know they're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own. So don't lie in. Live right now. Just be yourself. It doesn't matter if it's good enough for someone else. It just takes